Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to change the text color in Gmail, adding a vibrant touch to your emails. To begin, open your Gmail account and click on the Compose button to create a new email. So while composing your email, look for the letter A icon in the formatting toolbar at the bottom. So after clicking it, so you need to compose a message first. So for example, let's just type sample. So after that, you need to click this one and then choose this one, the text color. So you'll see a palette of colors here. Click on any color you want to use for your text. So like this, I want pink, something like that. Oh, you need to highlight first and then choose a color, and that's it. You now know how to change the color in Gmail, giving your emails a personalized and vibrant touch. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to change text color in Gmail. See you on my next video.